Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly and easily transfer your iCloud photos to a Windows PC. Whether you're switching from an iPhone to a Windows computer or simply want to back up your photos, this step-by-step guide will help you download and access all your pictures without any hassle. Make sure to watch until the end, and if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more useful tech guides. Let's get started. First, open the Photos app in Windows 11. It's a pre-installed application in Windows 11 systems. Inside the Photos app, you can see the iCloud Photos tab. Click on that. Then, you need to install the iCloud Photos app from the Microsoft Store. Download the iCloud application and install it. Please wait for the downloading and installation process to finish. It will take up to 10 minutes to complete. Please be patient. After installing, open the iCloud app, click Get Started and enter your Apple ID and password. Then enter the verification code sent to your iPhone. Click on Advanced Settings and check the saved path and details. Inside the iCloud menu, turn on the iCloud Photos Backup. Now it starts updating and syncing your iCloud photos. It will take more than half an hour, which depends on the number of photos that are saved in your iCloud system. After completing the synchronization process, open your Photos app in Windows and click on iCloud Photos. Right here you can see your saved iCloud photos. Click on the three dots button on the right side top and select All Photos, or can select individual photos that you want one by one. After selecting, click on the Move or Copy option and choose any folder inside your PC to copy or move the selected photos from iCloud to your Windows PC. It's finished. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure to subscribe this channel for more tech and tutorials videos. Also make sure to hit the bell icon to get the future upload notifications. And leave a comment if you have any suggestions or doubts. Please share with your friends. Thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time. See you in the next video.